So when you create a new composition, okay, and see like this one, and here now if you can right click also in the timeline, okay, see right click and you can make a new text layer. Okay. You can also click on layer and click new text layer. Okay, so if you make a new text layer and type something like this, and then if you change the color, okay, and then if you use like this, okay, now this is this panel is effects and presets. So this one is the most important panel of Adobe After Effects. There are thousands of effects, okay, and we have to work with them, we have to play with them, okay. The first thing now you can see like animation presets, 3D channel, audio, blur and sharpen, channel, cinema 4D, color correction, distort, like till utility you can see, okay. So if you click on animation presets, then we can see backgrounds, behaviors, image creative, image special effects, image utilities, shapes, sound effects, synthetics, text, transform, transitions, dissolves, transition, see this one, transitions, movement and transitions, whites. Now if you click on text, this one, so here you can see 3D text, animate in, animate out, blurs, curves and spins, expressions, fill and stroke and tilt tracking. You can see these all are for text. Then if you click on 3D text, so here now you can see lots of 3D text effects which you can apply to text layers. Now how you can apply, just drag and drop in the layer here. It has been applied, so once you play, so for play you can press this. See. Okay. Okay. If you want to remove this effect, okay, you can click here and in material options you have to find this one, okay, like this one, material options or transform. So material options, if you delete, see, so what you can do now for time being, control Z, okay, and if you move from here, see, this is second 3D, okay, you got my point, okay. Then see 3D basic rotate X cascade, okay, see, okay, once it play, now it will place, it will play normal, see, okay. There is one more thing in animation that is called reveal properties with keyframes, or you can simply press U even if you are using Windows or Mac. So what will happen, it will show you the keyframes, okay, like offset, so you can see it starting from here till there. So if you increase like from here to 5 seconds, now this preset or effect will take 5 seconds to apply, see. Okay. So there are lots of effects, even if you check like 1 or 2 or 3 hours, it's too much effects, only text effects. See, this is now 3D flip in rotate X. This is 3D flip up reflection. See. Okay, then command Z, you can see 3D fly down and unfold. See. So first time it takes times just because of the speed of your computer. Then see. Okay. 3D lines zoom in. See. Okay. Then 3D see raining words and colors. See. Okay. So this is only 3D. Okay. Then you can see the next is animate in. So animate in, for example, if you click here, so you can see there are different like fade up characters. So we have like you have different characters, they will fade up like this. Okay. And if you click like fade up lines, so there is only one line. See, one line will fade up. Okay. Fade up words, so we have two words. First, from where will be fade, see then but. Okay. Then fly in from bottom. See, it will fly in from bottom. Okay. Then you can see here like random fade up. So see random. Okay. So slow fade on. See, it will be slow. See. Okay. And if you click see this animator and delete, see effect will delete. So sometimes you can delete from here when you can see animator. Okay. And animator options you can also see like see. Okay. So animator delete. Then you can see spin in by character. Okay. See. So first this is spinning by character. Okay, straight in each line. So see. Now you can see here like typewriter. So this one is the most famous you can see in videos like if you select and then make a paragraph first, okay, and like exactly 25 for example, okay. Wait, like you can see this one. So if you apply from effects and presets typewriter, then see, okay, normally you can see in the videos, and then if you click U, click U, so you can frame. Yes, ask. How? How? No, what you said?
I remember yesterday.
See.
It's
Okay.
like what movie was that? Like Fast and Furious.
Exactly.
It's nice.
Mhm. There are thousands of effects, hundreds of effects. This is only second part, animating. Then we have animate out, then blurs, curves. This is only for text I am explaining. Scale, rotate, okay?
Because I want to ask if this can be used for logos.
Yes, as well for logos there are lots of things. Logos, for logos we have
Not
for
always.
images also. This is image, creative, special effects, utilities, then more effects we have. Okay. Okay, so check this. First, this one, which one? Where is After Effects? This one. Type the text. Okay. Animation presets, and then text, and check 3D text and text. Sorry, animated. Okay. Then I'll call you later.